Alright, picture this, you're running a growing business. Sales are booming, your inventory is moving, and you're finally starting to see the fruits of your labor. But amidst all this success, there's a nagging feeling, a constant buzz in the back of your mind. It's the people, your employees. Are they happy? Are they productive? Are they getting paid correctly? And more importantly, are you managing all of this efficiently? Now, you've invested in NetSuite, that powerhouse of a cloud-based ERP. It handles your financials, your supply chain, your CRM. It's basically the backbone of your operation. But then you ask yourself the question that's probably brought you here. Does NetSuite do HR? Can it really handle the complexities of your workforce? Let's cut through the jargon and dive into the heart of the matter. You're not alone in asking this. Many businesses, especially those already leveraging NetSuite, wonder if they can consolidate their HR processes within the same platform. The short answer? Yes and no. It's a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. See, NetSuite offers a suite of HR capabilities, primarily through its Suite People module. Think of Suite People as NetSuite's answer to the HR puzzle. It's designed to bring your HR data into the same cloud environment as your financials, inventory, and everything else. This integration is the key, the real game changer. But let's break down what Suite People actually does. It's not a standalone, all-encompassing HR solution that rivals dedicated HRIS platforms in every single aspect. Instead, it focuses on core HR functionalities, seamlessly integrated with the broader NetSuite ecosystem. First up, core HR. This is the foundation, the bread and butter. Suite People allows you to manage employee records, track employee information, and maintain a centralized database of your workforce. This includes things like personal details, contact information, job titles, and reporting structures. It's the essential data management that keeps your employee information organized and accessible. Next, we have employee self-service. This is a huge time saver for both HR and your employees. Suite People provides a portal where employees can access their own information, update their details, view pay stubs, and request time off. This empowers employees and reduces the administrative burden on your HR team. Then there's time and attendance. Suite People allows you to track employee hours, manage time off requests, and ensure accurate payroll processing. This is crucial for managing labor costs and ensuring compliance. You can set up workflows for approvals, track overtime, and generate reports on employee attendance. And speaking of payroll, Suite People offers payroll management capabilities, especially when integrated with NetSuite's financial modules. This allows you to streamline payroll processing, automate calculations, and ensure accurate and timely payments. It's about bringing payroll into the same system as your financials, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Now, here's where things get interesting: talent management. Suite People offers modules for performance management, goal setting, and succession planning. You can conduct performance reviews, track employee progress, and identify high-potential employees. This is about nurturing your talent and building a strong workforce. But, and this is a crucial but, Suite People isn't designed to handle every single HR function. If you're a large enterprise with complex HR needs, you might find that Suite People doesn't offer the depth of functionality you require in areas like recruiting, learning management, or advanced benefits administration. For example, while Suite People does offer a basic performance management module, it may not have the sophisticated features of a dedicated talent management system. Similarly, while it can handle core payroll functions, it might not be suitable for companies with highly complex payroll requirements or international operations. So what does this mean for you? It means you need to carefully evaluate your HR needs and determine if Suite People is the right fit. If you're a mid-sized business that's already using NetSuite and wants to consolidate your core HR functions, Suite People can be a valuable addition. It offers the benefit of integration, streamlining your processes and providing a single source of truth for your data. However, if you have highly specialized HR needs or if you're a large enterprise with a complex workforce, you might need to supplement Suite People with other HR solutions. The good news is that NetSuite integrates with a wide range of third-party HR applications, allowing you to build a customized HR ecosystem that meets your specific requirements. Think of it like building a house. NetSuite is the foundation, the core structure. Suite People is like adding the essential rooms, the kitchen, the bedrooms. But if you need a specialized room, like a home theater or a professional gym, you might need to bring in a specialist. That's where third-party integrations come in. Let's talk about the benefits of integrating your HR with NetSuite. One of the biggest advantages is data consistency. When your HR data is integrated with your financial and operational data, you have a single, unified view of your business. This eliminates data silos, reduces errors, and improves decision-making. Another benefit is streamlined processes. By automating HR tasks and integrating them with your other business processes, you can reduce administrative overhead and free up your HR team to focus on more strategic initiatives. For example, when a new employee is hired, their information can automatically flow from HR to payroll and other relevant systems. And then there's improved reporting and analytics. With all your data in one place, you can generate comprehensive reports and gain valuable insights into your workforce. You can track key HR metrics, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. So, to answer the initial question, does NetSuite do HR? Yes, it does through Suite People. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a powerful tool for core HR management, especially for businesses already using NetSuite. However, it's important to carefully evaluate your needs and consider supplementing Suite People with other solutions if necessary. The key takeaway is that NetSuite offers a flexible and integrated approach to HR. Whether you choose to rely solely on Suite People or integrate it with other applications, you can build an HR ecosystem that meets your specific needs and helps you manage your workforce effectively. Ultimately, the best HR solution for your business depends on your unique requirements, your budget, and your long-term goals. Consider the size of your company, the complexity of your HR needs, and your growth plans. Talk to NetSuite experts, explore the available options, and make an informed decision. Don't let your HR processes become a bottleneck. Embrace the power of integration and streamline your operations. Remember, your employees are your most valuable asset. Investing in the right HR tools and processes will pay dividends in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.